carrots. It's so good. Well, welcome, EUC Learn Along. Sorry for all the crunching, but I gotta get my fiber in. What are we doing today? And where do we leave off? We did something with Director. I think we did load balancing, or at least did a quick overview because we've done that already. Added assert, which we've seen that before. Looked at some profile container components with Director. Yeah, we did some big things. So let's look at some other new components other than in-session failover for containers. Hurts real good. I should have got some water. I'm gonna be chewing for a while. Let's go ahead and get logged into everything. I need to log in with Alright, we got everything up. Yes. Alright. Crayon. Citrix. Web Studio. Here we go. I shouldn't have taken another bite. My fault. Alright, so we'll look at some new features with Studio, Web Studio, as we saw that the MMC is deprecated with these later releases. And they put it everywhere. That's good. Come on, man. Maybe I should just turn on that automatic login feature. Do they have an automatic login feature? We'll look. So on this server, I already got the components created, and I downloaded a package slow to load. I did just boot this up really recently. Probably getting scanned. Look at that. Our old friend, FlexApp and MSIX. Alright, so we looked at how to do MSIX. I downloaded this from Microsoft. Microsoft Teams, their new deployment. So you can grab that. Oh my goodness. And we got FlexApp. We got our VLC package. There we go. Sorry, shouldn't have took another bite. Oops. Let's look at settings. Can I do anything? I need to turn you off. Enable. Mess with that later. Excuse me. All right. So we're going to look at app packages again because we got some cool partnerships coming on or going on. All right, so let's add a source, friendly name, packages, delivery group. We'll be looking at that. Network share. Oh, FlexApp. There we go. Should I put these into one basket? Let's do that. Excuse me. Packages. All right. Close. Again, I'm using local storage. Very short on resources. A storage. Can't spell. And let's make sure that I can access that. Looks good to me. Do you want to search subfolders? Yes. All right, so now, if you got ProView in your environment, FlexApp, you can leverage Studio to deliver those applications versus creating a custom web page, doing a network share, group policy, however you were delivering FlexApp one packages before. Intune, SCCM, all of that. The source was added successfully, looking for packages. All right, there's 2 of them. Error. Because occurred. Please see VDA. What? Check failed. Let me try something. So with FlexApp 1, let me read this. We do need a service. It says FlexApp. Is it not FlexApp 1? Oh, I shouldn't have taken another bite. Let me boot this up. That's the last of my carrot, and I'll stop. Let me double check. So sorry, I'll move the mic. Alright, so we got this up. Let me FlexApp packaging console. See, and I think I got it in temp. I could be wrong. Let me move you out to packages. I didn't research this well. Just kind of ran with it. Okay. Well, I didn't get it out of there. There we go. I don't need to look at the VDA logs. Run. All right. Status import. All right, let's look at our packages. All right, so it only has teams. Microsoft application packaging. Oh, got the mic way over here. Technologies lets you deploy. Manage application service. Uses feature. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put you here in FlexApp. I'm going to delete all this extra data. Let's try again. So weird. Let's see if we can add it here. Okay. Nope. All right. Oh my god. Keep going around. I could just type it, but vlc.exe. Can I do... Oh, that's right. Storage. Package discovery cannot process. Why could you not process it? Alright, so let's try something. I'm not going to reset my profile anymore. Citrix-A storage. Packages. FlexApp. Copy this locally. Alright, so we're going to install the service. We'll let it mount. We'll detach it. And then we'll try to add it again. Alright, you do your thing. Alright, there we go. We got FlexApp 1. Let's quit and then stop. So again, if we look at disk management, there we go. We got our contents mounted. Let's go ahead and stop. Detached. Great. Let's go back and try again. Does this look at the service on the machine? I don't know. And apparently it does. So we've learned something. I've learned something. Make sure you have the service installed. So let's look at that service. I think I'll post some documentation on how to install the service without doing what I did. Computer management. Good to know. All right. It's probably in the documentation. I assume that's liquidware. There we go. Container service, Liquidware Labs. Make sure that is installed and running. All right. So we got that. Can I pick both of these? Let me log out of here so we don't skew the data. All right. Can I highlight both of them? Oh, I can only delete if I highlight both of them. Assign to delivery groups. Okay. Yep. All right, finish. Well, I should probably have checked if Teams was on this Windows 11 machine. I'm pretty sure it wasn't. Let me check real quick. Citrix admin. I can't remember the local. Did some troubleshooting. Eating carrots. Man, doing it big. Need to turn on the light. Really does not like the widget remover for the profile. You gotta do it twice. Maybe I'll set that in policy. See if the policy works. Teams. All right, Teams is not installed. We got some updates that are probably going to give us some headache. Disk management. Nothing. Yep, good. All right. Log out. Sign out. Maybe we can get past these updates. All right, assign to delivery group. Yep. I don't like that import where you have to select the delivery group. It's kind of odd. All right. Finish. All right, so we got a out-of-box image. We're going to deliver these two applications. We did this before with MSIX, and we used VLC as the package, but we reversed it. And look at that metadata. It shows teams. It's cool. This, where's the icon pile? So we got it assigned. So let's go to our server. Did it time us out? It sure did. All right, no biggie. We'll log in. Storefront. Great. All right, we're going to launch our desktop. Thought I set this. Oh, I did. It's just slow. I have a feeling these things are, a lot of them are doing updates. This thing was running slow when we logged in. There we go. I'm just going to leave you alone. Take your time. Yeah, we might finish. Not in record time, but pretty quick compared to our last few videos. But now we're building up our applications. We can build an application stack and just have a plain image. Manage applications via Studio. Manage applications via ProU. That widget thing, that's a no-no. I need to disable via policy. That's weird. I want to learn about the picture. Oh man, I got a wolf in the house. All right, so we got Cortana. I don't even think Cortana's still around. We're looking for VLC and Teams. So last time, it did take a minute for the package to display. Okay. There's a lot going on. We'll let this settle. Oh, there's VLC. Nice. Bam. Just works. Yep. So we got VLC. What about Teams? Is Teams a little slower? We'll give it a bit. All right, let's look at, I can't do anything. Yeah, let's look at disk management. All right, so it's not in the notification sys tray, whatever you want to call this. And I do not see the disk mounted, so it is doing some type of new technique. Either way, it's cool. You can dig into the details later. All right, I see AppX going. Maybe Teams is coming up next. There it is. Man, with a undersized VM and no AV exclusions going. I think we're doing pretty good. Yep. I'll give Explorer some time to settle. Make sure you work with your security team. Get some exclusions. Liquidware has theirs posted on their website. All right, so now we don't have to install Teams on our base image, our gold image. Image prep, app layering, elastic layer, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. We got Teams. New Outlooks around the corner or been out. Not sure if it's enterprise ready, but it's a modern app. Got 2 collaboration apps. Man, get Word and all those other. Microsoft makes them to a modern package like that. Out of box experience. Optimize it. Publish apps. Crazy. All right. Is this settled down enough to where I can actually click it and launch it? I think I'm asking too much of it. All right, I click Teams. Is it going to launch? There it goes. Teams is going. All right, I click VLC. I don't need to see this machine struggle. All right, so we got Teams going. I click VLC. Let me look at disk management. VLC, you gonna launch? Or too much going on? All right, so when you click on it, then it layers. Okay, so maybe it's stored the exe somewhere, or is launching through the network share. You can do that, and there we have it. Man, great teamwork, guys and gals. Man, we got FlexApp 1. We got MSIX moving away from AppV. I'm so proud. Can build this up, and I can build my image just deploying applications. I'm excited. But anyhow, cool stuff. Glad you got to listen to me eat a carrot, and I hope you learned something.